Hi, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add brushes in AliveColors. AliveColors has built-in brushes of various shapes and sizes, perfect for decorating your images. By selecting a brush, you can see its parameters, but not all of them. To see the full list, press F5. Click the gear icon to open even more settings. To load ready-to-use brushes, click the corresponding button and select the brush preset. This preset contains 20 brushes. I don't need all of them, so I will choose a few. The brushes have been added. Let's check them out. That looks quite interesting. Let's create our own brush. We can save it on the computer using the export button. Simple as that. Create beautiful things and see you in the next video.